All right, it's done. I'll give you guys a little bit of a show. Green epoxy flooring, white cedar, painted the ducts, got this lighting put in. That way, no matter where you're at on the wall, you're always gonna have lighting above you. That's awesome. So glad I grabbed that. 3D printer over there. Got a fridge set up. Pretty sweet. Try to go a little slower so you guys can see it, but it's pretty simple. Got some cracks to clean up, put up. Got the lighting to put in with the panel or with the covers and whatnot. But yeah, it is looking awesome. Oh yeah, very excited.